The challenges on your manufacturing business are many, and margin compression is very real, whether it be rising material prices, increased tariffs, and continued labor shortages. In fact, labor is going to continue to be tight for decades to come. We've got great news. The government launched a program to encourage manufacturers to use more apprentices as part of their labor strategy. The American Manufacturing Apprenticeship Incentive Fund was launched and offers $3,500 per apprentice for those who qualify. Now, paperwork can be quite complex. That's why tax professionals at CLA can help you through the paperwork process every step of the way. Apprentices can be economically beneficial. In my home state of Wisconsin, those manufacturers that are using apprentices as part of their labor strategy see about a 60% retention rate. So if apprentices are part of your labor strategy, contact CLA and we'll help you get the process started.